In this video, I'll guide you through how to justify text in LibreOffice. If you're looking to make your documents look more professional and polished, justifying your text is a great way to start. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can achieve a clean and organized look in your documents. First, you'll want to open your LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you download it from the official LibreOffice website. It's a fantastic free alternative to other Office suites, and it comes with a range of useful features. Once you have LibreOffice up and running, you'll be greeted by the main interface, which is your starting point for accessing all its applications, including Writer, Calc, Impress, and more. Next, click on the Writer document option. Writer is LibreOffice's word processor similar to Microsoft Word, and it's where you'll be working to justify your text. Once you click on it, a new blank document will open up, ready for you to start typing. If you already have a document prepared that you want to justify, you can open it instead. Now it's time to type some text into your document. If you're just practicing, feel free to write a few lines or paragraphs. If you're working on an existing document, you can skip this part and move straight to the text you will want to justify. Justifying text means aligning it evenly along both the left and right margins, giving your document a neat and uniform appearance. Once you have your text in place, take a look at the toolbar at the top of the window. You'll find various icons and options here that allow you to format your document. One of the sections you'll see is the alignment options. These icons let you choose how your text aligns on the page: left, center, right, or justified. To justify your text, simply locate the alignment options in the toolbar. The justify icon typically looks like a set of parallel lines aligned both vertically and horizontally across the page. Click on this icon and you'll notice your text immediately adjusts, aligning smoothly along both edges of the page. This adjustment not only enhances readability, but also gives your document a more professional touch. If you ever want to switch back to a different alignment, you can easily do so by selecting the appropriate icon in the same toolbar section. This flexibility allows you to format different parts of your document in various ways, catering to your specific needs. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to justify text in LibreOffice Writer. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in the overall look of your documents, whether for personal use, school projects, or professional presentations. Remember, practicing these steps will help you become more familiar with LibreOffice's features, making your document editing process smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks on using LibreOffice and other software. Happy writing!